Okay, we're here with one of our newest success stories. You want to go ahead and introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is John. I'm from California.
Great, John. You want to just tell everybody how much credit you've been able to get or how much business credit as a result of working with us?
So far, $220,000.
Wow, that's impressive. Now, a lot of people ask me, can you still do it in today's credit market? So for those people that that are wanting to know, what year can you tell everybody that you got these credit lines?
2014.
Wow. So not a problem getting it in today's credit market, huh?
Not at all. Not at all.
Great. Could you have done this on your own?
I've tried doing it on my own. In fact, before I enrolled in your program, I was very unsuccessful on many attempts getting business credit. So, yeah, before you, I was absolutely unsuccessful.
So the results you've gotten have definitely come with specific coaching and guidance and strategies that were implemented, yes?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. I definitely could have done that, yeah.
Can we see some examples of some of the approvals you got?
Sure, absolutely. Let's see. Here is, I'll just kind of block out the numbers here. Here's one. This is from Wells Fargo Bank,
Okay.
and this is $25,000.
Excellent.
Next one here is from Chase Bank. This one actually was 20, and I recently had the line of credit increased to $25,000.
Excellent.
This one is from U.S. Bank. It's a pretty recent one. This was $16,000.
Wow. Very good.
Yeah, this one. And here is another one, East West Bank. This one actually was initially $10,000. I just got it increased to $20,000.
Wow.
Yeah, yeah, and they're still doing line of credit increases too.
Excellent.
Yeah, and last one here is Bank of America, and this one is $17,000.
Great. So just in summary, you've gotten over $200,000 working with us. You got it in the year 2014. So there's no problem getting these things even in today's current lending climate?
Yeah, even in today's climate, it's still fairly simple to get these lines of credit established.
So what would you say to people that are looking at our program for the first time and they're wondering, a lot of people make a lot of claims. Sometimes they kind of exaggerate what they can do, or they're just not honest in general. So for someone who, I think you must have been in that position when you first started looking at us, maybe you can relate to where they are at. What would you say to them?
Yeah, I can absolutely relate to anybody who's skeptical. When I first met you, I had gone through, I'm going to say probably 3 or 4 different agencies who claimed to be able to help people like myself obtain lines of credit. I dealt with some pretty bad experiences, to say the least. So I was very skeptical going into your program. Within 30 days, it already paid for itself, just with the fact that I was able to get a line of credit increase on one of my credit cards, build my Dun & Bradstreet credit report, and then, within a few months, I was actually able to obtain business lines of credit. So I was very skeptical. Like I said before, I've gone into banks trying to get lines of credit, thinking that I had a pretty decent credit score. I can just go ahead and ask for whatever I wanted, not knowing what it actually took in order to talk to these bankers and raise these funds. So, yeah, if you're skeptical right now, I understand. I was in the same boat, but I'm not skeptical anymore. I'm definitely, I'm definitely a believer.
The results tell the story. Just hold up all those cards for everybody just to see, like, as a fan.
Sure. Yeah, I have quite a few here. It's going to take me a while to choose up.
Wow.
$100,000 right there.
That's awesome. It's like,
Yeah,
here's a card, pick a card, any card.
Exactly, any card.
Yeah. It's nice because when you actually want to do like a real estate deal, you have some business needs, you have the money right in your hands and you don't have to go and get permission or convince anybody or, try to make an application. It's just like, get that card, get the cash out of it, which is easy to do, and just go do your deal, huh?
Exactly. And me, I was never one for raising private money. I was never that good at it. I knew people who were, but I just wasn't that guy. So, being able to just go into a deal and pull out one of these cards and write a balance transfer check to my bank account and put the money into the deal, it's works out a lot easier.
Well, great. So you got all this money. You got it in 2014. That's very clear for people. So everybody can see that the results are there. The results are there now this year. So there's no issue for people, getting money in today's climate. So anyway, I appreciate your time, taking the time to help everybody see that this could work for them even now. And we'll hopefully hear from other people who will be inspired by you, and they'll get their own success as well. So thanks so much.
No problem.